Welcome to Polymer Objective Questions with Answer. So let us see first the fill in the blanks with answer. First, polymers are large molecules formed by the repetitions of small units called dash. So the answer among this is monomers. The process of forming polymers from the monomers is called, the correct answer is polymerization. Which polymer is commonly used for making plastic bottles? So the correct answer from the following is polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET we call it. So the next is the polymer used for making non-stick cookwares is, so among the following the correct answer is Teflon. Fifth, the polymer used in making synthetic fibers like ropes and textiles is, so as we know the options given are nylon, Teflon, bakelite and polyethylene. So nylon is the correct answer. Natural rubber is a polymer of, the options given are ethene, isoprene, styrene and butadiene. So the correct option is isoprene. The polymer used in making artificial silk is rayon. Similarly, bakelite is prepared by the polymerization of dash. So the correct answer is phenol and formaldehyde. Which polymer is used for making electrical switches and handles? The correct option of the following is bakelite. 10th, the type of polymerization in which monomer join without eliminating any byproduct is called addition polymerization. Next is the monomer of polyvinyl chloride, which is also known as PVC, is the monomer from which polyvinyl chloride will be prepared is vinyl chloride. Next is vulcanization of rubber is done using dash. So the options given are sulfur, phosphorus, carbon and zinc. The correct option is sulfur. Then which of the following polymer is biodegradable? So the correct option is C, that is polyhydroxy butyrate, PHB it is known as. Next is the polymer used for making the contact lenses is, the correct option is B, that is PMMA, which is also known as polymethyl methacrylate. Then next question is 15th question is low density polyethylene, which is also called as LDPE, is used for making plastic bags is the correct option. 16th, the polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene, that is TFE, leads to the formation of dash. So when we prepare Teflon, the polymerization of Teflon is done using tetrafluoroethene. Next is Ziegler-Natta catalysts are used for polymerization of dash. So the correct option among the following is B, that is high density polyethylene, which is also called as HDPE. The preparation of nylon 6 involves the polymerization of dash. So the correct option is caprolactam. Next question is Teflon is prepared by the polymerization of dash. So in the previous question we already seen that tetrafluoroethane is used to prepare Teflon. So the correct option is A. Which of the following conditions is required for condensation polymerization? So among the following the correct option is B, that is elimination of small molecules like H2O, CO2 or HCl, which will be eliminated. So in condensation polymerization the condition is that there should be elimination of small molecules. Then let us see the next one, that is match the pairs. So here you can see column A contains all the polymers like polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, nylon 6, Teflon, bakelite, polyethylene tetraphthalate, natural fiber rubber, and pan. And in B column they have given all different things like condensation, polymerization. So let us see the answers. So here you can see the answers for column A, all polymers, and for polythene the answer correct option is plastic bags and bottles. Polyvinyl chloride, they are used for pipes and cables. Polystyrene, used for disposal cups and packing. Nylon 66, condensation, polymerization. Teflon, option E is the correct one, that is non-stick cookwares. Then bakelite, it is used for electrical switches. Polyethylene tetraphthalate, that is PET, which is used for soft drink bottles. Natural rubber for tires and elastic products. And last is polyacrylonitrile, which is used for acrylic wool. So these are the correct options for match the pair. Now the next, let us see true or false of polymers. First is polyethylene is formed by polymerization of ethene or ethylene. So it is a correct option, true it is. Nylon 6 is prepared by condensation polymerization of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. So nylon 6 prepared from this adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, but nylon 6 is prepared from caprolactam. So the statement is false. Then the third is bakelite is thermoplastic polymer. So the answer is false, as bakelite is thermosettings polymer. Next is Teflon is used for making non-stick cookwares. So this is the correct one, true it is. Teflon are used for the coating of non-stick cookwares. Then next is polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC is a natural polymer. So this is false, as PVC is a synthetic polymer. Next is rubber is an example of an elastomer, true. The next, condensation polymerization involves the elimination of small molecules like water and HCl. So this is again true. Next, polyacrylonitrile, that is PAN, is used in manufacturing of synthetic wool. This is true. Then high density polyethylene is more flexible than low density polyethylene. So the option is false. Okay, so let us begin. High density polyethylene is more flexible than low density polyethylene. The answer is false, as HDPE is more rigid and stronger than LDPE. Next is polymers are always biodegradable. So this is absolutely false, because most of the synthetic polymers are non-biodegradable, but most likely like polylactic acid. Thank you for watching. You can master the polymer question and answers. So you can watch this video on YouTube, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.